I have a new case for my iPhone X. This is my iPhone X, and I've been using this case for some time and I'm a bit bored of it. The thing is, the idea is that change my case, so yeah, so I got this case, which is good, but the point is that I wanted to get a new case, so this is what I've got. And it's a case from BASEUS. It's a bumper case, which is brilliant. It comes in 3 different colors. These are the 3 different colors. Yeah, I'm not sure if you can see it clearly. Alright, okay, yeah. So this is how it is, and let's go ahead and unbox it. So this is the case. It's rubberized, because generally speaking, I really like rubberized cases. It comes with this cleaning cloth as well. And I'll put the link in the description if you guys would want to buy it, if you're interested to get one of these cases. So this comes with this sort of plain paper just to support the case itself. So this case is made out of, I don't know, polyurethane or it's rubber, but I would rather say it's just a rubberized case. It's soft. As you can see over here, it's quite soft, and it's got these grip marks on both sides. Got these blue sort of accents which really gives it a fantastic look. Top part is going to protect the bezel. So let's go ahead and take this off. Yeah, so this is the case. I mean, it's pretty much, you know, bump proof, drop proof, you can say. It's got a very deep gap for the phone itself and from the drop point, so it's quite flush on the surface, but you can't really you know, you can close the ringer if you want to, but you have to put your finger a little bit deep inside, and that would basically control the ringer. The volume buttons are a bit hard. The on-off button is, wake sleep button is a bit hard as well. But overall, the feel of the case is that slightly bulkier. But overall, it looks really nice. And yeah, so this is it. And as you can see, it's protecting the camera as well. So a bit in depth. So if the phone drops, or in some case, if you rub it over here, there'll be no issues with the camera. So this was my unboxing of this case, and as I said, I'll put a link in the description below. It's a case from BASEUS, really looks good, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So guys, if you are interested, get yourself a nice case from for your iPhone 10 from BASEUS, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any comments, just leave it in the comment section below and I'll reply back to you. Okay guys, see you in my next video then. Bye for now.